Hello viewers, welcome back to organic chemistry tutorials. In this video we are going to talk about the functional group. In this class, why I am going to talk the functional group is there is some important reason. Whenever I interact with the students and I talk about the functional group, when I ask this question, what is functional group? The students immediately say that alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid. Oh, these are the examples for the functional group. What is called a functional group? How we can define a functional group? That we are going to see now. Okay, let's go to the class. For example, now I draw a molecule. So this is a ketone, functional group is there, and if it reacts with the proton, what we will get? So this negative charge will attack this positive charge. So we are going to get this molecule, and finally we will get like this. Now my question is, why this proton is get attacked at this oxygen? Why not here, 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 or here, or here, or here? You got this question? I repeat it. Why this proton is get attacked at this position of oxygen? Why not other places? The answer is, you see, this is having electron rich. The oxygen is having electron rich, and it acts as a nucleophile, and this atom is electron deficient. This is acting as electrophile, and this is acting as a nucleophile, and we know this nucleophile will attack this electrophile, and we will get this product. In simple analogy, I would like to explain. Functional group means it is a reactive center where the reaction could takes place. You understand it? Functional group is called a reactive center where the reaction can take place. How the reaction will take? One species will be electron rich and another species will be electron deficient. If we understand it, this concept, we can attempt any organic chemistry related problems. In addition, I would like to explain this functional group analogy in simple term. For example, this is a pen. Now this pen, if I hold it, so we can able to write it. The whole unit is a pen. If I hold this pen, if I try to write this, I am not able to write it. So that means the whole pen is not reactive. If I hold it in the particular orientation, then the pen is start functioning. Okay, so in short, functional group is a reactive center where the reaction can take place. If you understand this concept, more than 70 to 80% of this organic chemistry fundamentals could be easily understood. Dear viewers, kindly subscribe and share this video if you like this topic, and also I request you to write any comments or suggestions in the comment sections. Thank you very much.